The book that wrote itself. One sunny afternoon, Mia found a blank book on her bed. As soon as Mia opened it, the pages began to glow. Slowly, the book started to write by itself. A bright light swirled around Mia, and suddenly she jumped right into the story. Inside the magical world, she met her friendly robot friend, Tobo. Together, they flew in a car, crossed glowing roads, and sailed across a shiny ocean. Every adventure felt exciting and fun, but something special happened along the way. Each time Mia imagined something new, the book added important safety rules. She wore a seatbelt before flying. She looked both ways before crossing the road. She stayed calm and careful when things felt scary. Mia slowly understood an important lesson. Imagination is powerful, but safety helps us enjoy every adventure. At the end of the journey, the book wrote its final message. Safe choices help make every story happy. Mia smiled, closed the magical book, and felt proud because the best stories are creative, smart, and safe.